Humans need to stay safe, and it is your receptors that can detect stimuli in the surroundings that can then make you stay safe. The first receptor we're going to talk about are the ears. Ears detect sound. So remember, ears detect sound. Sound is the stimulus. Remember, sound is the stimulus, and your ears are the receptors. So you've got receptor cells in your ears that detect the stimulus sound. The next receptor we're going to talk about are the eyes. Eyes detect light. Eyes do not detect objects. What eyes detect is the light reflecting off the objects. In a pitch black room, if there is no light and something is thrown at you, you will not be able to see it because it is light that your eyes detect. So remember, the receptors are the eyes and the stimulus is the light. Your nose is another receptor. Receptors in your nose detect chemicals in the air. They do not detect smell. Detecting chemicals in the air gives you the ability to smell. So chemicals in the air are detected by your nose. The chemicals in the air are the stimulus, and the receptor is the nose. Your tongue is another receptor. You've got receptor cells in your tongue. Your tongue detects chemicals in the food. So if you eat a sandwich, for example, stimulus are the chemicals in the food. So the chemicals in the food are the stimulus, and the receptor cells in your tongue is the receptor. You have pain or pressure receptors in your skin. These are receptors that detect pressure or pain or a change in temperature. So remember, touch or pressure or changes in temperature are detected by pain or pressure receptors in your skin.